half an hour till supper time. 20 minutes at the earliest, sweetie. Same thing every day. See, even Ellie's telling you, don't worry, we're gonna get fed. I have problems. Every weekend, due to the great CTV having eliminated our local television broadcasts on weekends entirely. There are no broadcasts all week long at noon hour. There's only the evening broadcast, okay? Evening news. There's nothing at lunchtime at all. And weekends, there's absolutely nothing. There's not even an evening broadcast. So, saving money? No, we don't care about sure. We don't care about, that area of the province. We're not going to talk about what happens to people there at all. So what I have done in order to get some local content, I have switched to watching Hamilton news because it's, somewhat local, very far from me, but I don't know anything about this area at all. And there's nothing local. The only local there is in London, which is a half an hour away. I mean, big difference. Half an hour this way, half an hour that way. I know Cambridge, Kitchener, and I know Hamilton. So I listen to the Hamilton news. Except for this weekend. Because what happened this weekend? I put on the Hamilton news at 6 o'clock on Saturday night. There's the whole broadcast. Oh yeah, they're talking, but nobody can hear it. Total silence. So I go, this is stupid. Clue in, somebody. Obviously, nobody's watching. Nobody's listening to their own broadcast. So this happened yesterday. I thought, okay, fine. I'll have it fixed for today. Nothing is fixed. It's the same silence. The news, the weather forecast, the entertainment, everything. Silence. So I just switched to Toronto. I switched to CBC. I switched to whatever. Flipping around trying to find, but all the CTV news is talking about is Trudeau and tragedy or collapse of the government and whatever. So I just switched to Toronto and I'll get all the terrible things that happen in Toronto. At least there's something going on in Toronto. What? This station is celebrating its, I don't know how many year, 60th year in operation. This is their 60th year, and they're so happy about it, and they've been celebrating it. This weekend was not a good example of how they provide news for the community.